Here with a quick tip for you, the shaken cocktail. Glass shakers, tin shakers, these fancy things with built-in strainers, these lovely little guys. As long as there's a part where you can put the liquid and put a lid on, you're winning. Cheeky little jam jar, works every single time. I'm going to talk you through the shaking cocktail through the medium of a daiquiri. There are several reasons why we choose to shake a cocktail. The first one is to mix it. Secondly, we want to make sure those ingredients get really, really cold. Thirdly, is we want to aerate it and bring a little bit of life to it. First thing I'm going to put in is my citrus fruit. Single shot of lime, that's 25 mils. Your liquid should always go in the small part. 12.5 mils of sugar syrup. I'm going to throw this lovely little rum from Antigua in there, 50 mils. When you're shaking a cocktail, put your ingredients in first. As soon as you put that ice in there, it's like a time ticker. I'm going to dilute, I'm going to dilute, I'm going to dilute. So fill our shakers as much as possible. The more ice I add to it, the colder and less diluted it becomes. I'm going to pop the lid on. You just use my body weight. Don't need to punch it. To get you a good shake, you have to lunge. The small part of your shaker goes behind you. I don't want this bit to fly out at you. The hand on one half and a hand on the other. You'll know when it's ready because your tin will get really, really cold. Generally say about 8 seconds. It's so cold. I can write CK in there for Cocktail Kate. You can see all the bubbles. That means the drink's aerated. So to release it, you'll see a natural curve in your shaker. That's the front, that's the back. I'm gonna take the side and I'm gonna use that part of my hand. Drive from my elbow, and that's released. That looks like an alien. So you want this spring to go into your tin, and then you wanna use this little bit here to push along to the edge. So now when I'm making a drink that's shaken, but it's served without ice, all the little shards of ice that have come loose are going to end up in that glass. So I'm going to use one of these, a fine strainer, just a tea strainer. Pour away. Lovely. I've caught all that kind of slushy ice that would have been in my drink. And there we go. The daiquiri, shaken as it should be. That's how you shake a cocktail and why you shake a cocktail. If you've still got any questions or there are any other tips that you'd really like to know, leave us a comment. Let us know how you're getting on. We'll get back to you. Happy shaking, happy learning, and cheers, guys.